Hello fellow crafters, welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we are diving into an exciting project featuring a truly unique product, the Golden Maple Game Color Set Paints. Golden Maple acrylic paints are packed with features that make them perfect for miniature painting. From their quick drying formula to smooth application and vibrant coverage, these paints are a game changer, especially for those of us who've dealt with slow drying or streaky paints in the past. Thanks to Golden Maple, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process of painting this Berserker miniature from HeroQuest's Jungles of Dirt Track expansion. And here's the twist, I'll be using only the game color set paints for this project. So let's get started. Every great paint job begins with a solid foundation. I've primed the minis and sewed the Berserker with a matte spray primer to ensure the paint adheres beautifully. Golden Maple's formula works seamlessly with a primed surface, and we'll see just how well it performs in the next steps. I'm starting with Viper Skin and a dark green for the Berserker's base coat. Right away you can see the smoothness of the application. This is thanks to Golden Maple enhanced fluidity. The paint glides effortlessly across the surface, minimizing brush strokes and providing quick, even coverage, as you can see with this dark blue. For the trousers, I'm mixing some beastly tan and some black. What's even better is how quickly it dries. In just minutes I'm ready to move on to the next layer. No more waiting around like with the traditional slow drying paints. Now it's time to add dimension. I'm blending Viper Skin into the wooden tones to create natural mid-tones. Golden Maple's water-based formula makes blending incredibly easy. And if you are new to painting, you'll love how forgiving this paint is. Any mistakes can be quickly washed off with water before drying. With this game color set, you can achieve smooth transition and rich, vibrant results without the need for complex techniques. For the details, I'm using this beautiful beige for the base coat of the shield fur. This paint is ideal for detail work thanks to its precision and fluid consistency. One standout feature is its quick drying formula. It allows me to layer intricate details without smudging or waiting too long between coats, a huge time saver for projects like this. To make the Berserker pop, I'm using this vibrant green with a dry brush technique to accentuate his armor edges, and adding some white to the dark blue, I put some accent on the blue strips. golden maple's vibrant pigments ensure even the smallest highlights stand out beautifully, as you can see with this yellow, absolutely astonishing. What's impressive is how the paint maintains consistency across layers, whether you're doing tone-on-tone work or bold highlights. And if you ever feel the paint is a bit thick, you can easily dilute it with water or a special thinner for the perfect texture. I'm using ironclad grey for the Berserker's axe and the little hatchet. Before I add some washes, I create a tone gradient for the skin. Then for the blade edge, I'm using silver. Now, to be perfectly honest, I cheated. I allowed myself to use a copper color for the details of the battle axe, and I got lazy using ready-made washes. But that doesn't take anything away from the splendid result I got with this set. The price is in a standard range, but the performance is really high. And here's our Berserker in all its glory. From the smooth base coat to intricate highlights, Golden Maple color set has delivered exceptional results every step of the way. If you're looking to elevate your painting game, Golden Maple is a must-try. Let me know in the comments if you've used this paint before, or if you're excited to try them out. Furthermore, you can see other little satisfaction I got from using this set. I can't wait to throw these miniatures on the game board. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep up with more crafting adventures. Till next time, happy crafting!